Oh, alright. Ah, that's better. Oh, in you go. Come back. Hello. Alright, g'day. We're doing the bath reno. Just the plumbing for it. We're going to get a new toilet and cistern. So we're going to take the toilet. We'll do, obviously it's leaking, not good. Do the sink and the shower there. So let's get started. So obviously the first thing you're going to want to do is grotty, is rake your garden up. So you're going to want to turn the water off your water meter. Oh, take it down here. Alright, now that all your water is drained from the water meter, I want to isolate your mini valve, your mini stop, sorry. That should be alright. That's it. So turn it off. Turn that off. Right, so I've just isolated the mini stop. I've gone to flush it and it doesn't want to work, so let's take off the cistern lid. Obviously it is absolutely putrid. Not sticking my fingers down there, should get gloves, but that's alright. So we'll just lift it up so it flushes itself. Yeah, that's it. Should fully flush, and then because we've isolated it, it's not going to refill. So just double check that it's not refilling. So the mini stop's definitely off, and you've got no flow into the toilet. So what you're going to want to do is get your beautiful brand new pail from Bunnings and dirty the crap out of it with the leftover water. So you just get a sponge, shove it down wherever you can, mop up all that beautiful poo water and just squeeze it out into that, and I'll get into that. We'll do the next step. So next we're going to want to go ahead and take your easy hooker off. In this case it is copper. This is an older house, so there is copper everywhere. Just get your shifter, I don't know where I've put mine. Yeah, get your shifter and just gonna want to open her up. Alright, so once you've got that off, go ahead and take your cistern off. This one takes a flathead screwdriver, and we're just going to take the cistern off the wall. Try and crack it. These ones are pretty old, so it'll take a minute or two. There you go. And then it should undo. FYI, make sure you wear work pants. I have just put disgusting water all over my nice trackies, so wear bloody work pants. Right, so because this toilet was grouted to the ground, didn't have any silicone, just grouting, you get your hammer drill and your tiler bit and you just smash it all around, or if you can't find a tiler bit, good old fashioned hammer and chisel does the trick, and it completely lifts up. It's all good. So now we're good to take her off. Alright, so now when you're taking her off, we'll get this out the way. Might get a little bit of leakage, that's alright. You're going to want to try and tilt it forward as much as you can, so you can, anything that's left in the trap you can pour into your bucket or straight outside, or however you want to do it. Try and get it out first. Side to side. In case we've got a little bit of leakage, we'll just chuck that under. Yep. There you go, make sure to lift it up like I said, so your water doesn't fall out. Alright, now that the toilet's all done, we're going to cap off our sink here. So we've got, yet again, copper lines. These would usually be easy hookers, but copper lines. So I've just taken the P-trap off here. We're just going to take the compressions off and then we'll cap it off. So very simple. Take them off. You get your cap, put it on the thread. Very, very straightforward. Not a lot of explaining. Okay, so now we're going to cap off the shower head. Get this old disgusting mouldy one off and put a new one on after it's tiled. So we're just going to unscrew it from the thread here. Get a bit of leakage, that's alright. You've got the shower base or a pail underneath here. Yeah, so take that off. Take your cover plate off. Get rid of any Teflon that you'll find around there. Then grab your capping and just screw her on. No Teflon needed. Just screw her on nice and tight. Don't want any leakage or anything. And you'll find that they make the cappings nice and the test caps nice and long. If the thread is too short, just grab your handsaw, cut it down about halfway, because that's where the thread starts, so about halfway there, and she'll fit on nice and snug. Yep, there you go. Alright, so that's how to basically cap off your bathroom during renovations. Hope that helped anyone in need. Pretty straightforward stuff, but it's always good to have another helping hand. Yeah.